Hey everyone, I'm Omid. This is probably the easiest Premiere Pro tutorial you will watch today. Let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to add music in Premiere Pro. First of all, you need a music. I have a music here that produced by me. It's very beautiful. If you have time, I want you to play it for you for 10 seconds. If you like my music first, uh, like, comment for this. It's very beautiful. Wow. Okay. Uh, you can select your music and drag it into your Premiere Pro project and drop here. Next, you can drag it and drop on your timeline. Then you can play. And that's it. It's done. And I want uh, to record very easy and uh, mm, beautiful tutorial for you. Just like and comment for me. Thank you.